We are going to start the fourth chapter based on the Information and Communications Technology for Standard 8. The amazing world at your fingertips. You have studied the chapter Life's Histories in Little Chambers in your basic science textbook. M.J. Schleiden, who discovered that the body of plants is made up of cells, was a lawyer. Robert Brown, who discovered the nucleus of a cell, was a doctor. Theodor Schwann, who discovered the animal body is made up of cells, has cells in his name. There are so many interesting facts like this in connection with the study of cells. Don't you want to know more about this? And what should you do for that? We can seek the help of your teachers. We can read books from the library. Along with this, we can rely on computers and internet to collect information. Within seconds, the computer will gather a lot of information for you on any subject with the help of internet. There are computers in different parts of the world which store a lot of information on various topics. These computers are linked to one another and they function as a network. Those computers which are connected to these networks can share the information stored in it. If our school, if the computers in our school is also connected to this network, we can also access the information stored in the computer networks. We have computer networks connecting computers at different locations around the world for various kinds of services. There exist mega computer networks connecting these types of different networks. Networking is the exchange of information and ideas among people with a common interest. Computer networking refers to linking multiple devices so that they can share information and software resources. The different types of computer networks are Personal Area Network or PAN, Local Area Network or LAN, Metropolitan Area Network or MAN, and Wide Area Network or WAN. The computer network that we use in our school computer lab are Local Area Network or LAN. We can use LAN within a distance of 2 kilometers to connect the different buildings. And this is the picture of one such. In a network, we have to log in to the system by giving a password. And when we want to exit from the system, we have to give log out. The mega computer network spreading all over the world and the facilities given by it is generally called Internet.